Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about this Dove body wash. This comes in a 3-pack or a 4-pack. They are hypoallergenic, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and cruelty-free. This is a moisturizing cleanser and it effectively washes away bacteria while nourishing your skin. It is 20 ounces and like I said, it is a hypoallergenic, so it's very smooth and soft. It's really great for sensitive skin. It's formulated with millions of micro moisture droplets and leaves your skin just feeling really great. You just squeeze a generous amount. A little goes a long way, but you will feel that rich lather before rinsing it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like here. So that's what that texture looks like. And I'm going to rub it in so that you can see that as well. So it's really easy to use. Like I said, this is a great body wash and I definitely recommend this and I hope this video helps.